I'm Taspin96. If you haven't already heard, Unity has a major security vulnerability that affects versions from 2017 to now. The version of Unity that the iOS 6 simulator uses, 2021.3.36, is among these affected versions. To combat this, we're changing the version of Unity that we use to 2021.3.45 F2. This version is safe to use and is what we'll be using from now on. When you install this version onto your computer, don't forget to include the Windows and macOS build support modules, as those are the two main platforms that we're currently focusing on developing for. In terms of what's next for the simulator, Assistive Touch and Spotlight Search are going to be getting an upgrade. Before I begin working on those though, I am going through the simulator and fixing some bugs and other known issues like the app switcher not functioning properly, as well as some other minor things here and there. The Wi-Fi plugin also has a little bit of an issue where it doesn't detect Ethernet. That's it for this announcement video. If you have any Unity projects that you're working on with affected versions, please rebuild them so your programs aren't vulnerable to this security exploit. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.